my name is Sumit Mehrotra. I'm a program manager on the Windows Azure team, specifically the developer experience team. So parts of Windows Azure that developers touch on a daily basis, like the SDK and the tooling around it, stuff that you need to build your applications, stuff that you need to deploy your applications, which is the service management and the portal piece. So that's what all I work on. Developers essentially need to realize that we put a lot of effort on the sort of creating a good developer experience for Windows Azure, because at the end of the day, Windows Azure is just a platform that we like to have lots and lots of developers. So we lay a lot of focus on creating experiences for developers that they are used to using on a daily basis for creating applications for, say, Windows or Windows Server. So we have this nice Visual Studio integration with it. We have nice simulation tools that let you see how your application will behave when it starts running in the cloud. We have good documentation. We have APIs that are evolving as we get customer feedback. So at PDC, we have released a bunch of new things that customers have talked to us about for the past year. The focus has always been create as seamless as possible a development experience for developers so that we can have a lot of developers for writing Windows Azure applications. So the most exciting part for me on a day-to-day basis is that developers are actually going to use stuff that I make or my whole team makes to actually write those applications. Without it, those applications aren't going to exist. So there's a lot of effort that goes in on the team, and I'm really sort of surprised and excited and energized by the kind of, or the amount and the quality of stuff that we have put out. I mean, we put out, for PDC, we laid out what we are releasing at PDC timeframe, and the stuff that we have received as feedback from people here at PDC, from forums and stuff, has been amazing. I mean, customers have told us, this is exactly what I was waiting for. So we have talked to customers over the past year, and there were a couple of big pain points that they had around development experience and sort of diagnosing, debugging their applications, for example. And come PDC, and we're talking to customers, and they were really surprised and excited about what we have done up until this point. So that's sort of very heartening for me, and that sort of keeps me motivated to come to the office every day and sort of work on these things. The thing to know about Windows Azure is new, but it has things that you already knew.